Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how you can import custom fonts in CapCut, then you are at right place. So I'm going to show you step by step then that how you can install a font, how you can import a custom font in CapCut. So first we are going to open our browser, and here this is a website abstractfonts.com, and I'm going to download uh, a font which is LT score. So I'm just going to click on download. Okay, I have already downloaded the font, but I'm just going to show you an example. Then you have to go to your download files, and here you will see this file. Simply click on it and extract. Click on extract. Now this is the ODF file. You will see you have to click here and then click on install, or you can open it. Here you will see the option install. Simply click on it. Click on yes. It will take few seconds. Now you have to remember the font name, which is LT score. Okay, so now we are going to open CapCut and click on start creating. Here I'm just going to click on text, drag the text here. This is the text I'm going to, so the name of the font is LT score. I'm just going to go towards L, so you have to drag it, and here you will see LT score. I will show you in few seconds. So the font name is LIT, so you have to go towards I, so it's PNML. So it may be in IT, so I'm just going to move above IG. Okay, MGHI. Okay, so here is LT score. You can find it. So in this way you can